Good morning. Today I am going to talk to you about my favorite city. Guatemala City is a very beautiful is plus because I have money, tourist attractions, I'll travel a general a grand occasional Arabic is a lax cakes. There's a apartment creates quickly that have arbitrary visited with my family. I love they know I want my way. Today the apartment is very full. I feel I feel grateful too good for her. Ben award here it's a big for I not all stall welcoming.